So Michael's father's motto is, if you want something, you have to work for that. Okay. Now come on, see how did Michael practiced both things from his parents. That is been described in this paranana. See, from the age of 14, Michael did just that. He began a very careful and regimented weightlifting program. He worked out every other day with weights, with some kind of running work on alternate days. The programs was carefully monitored by Michael's coach, trainer and father. Michael's dedication, determination and discipline was a coach's dream. Okay, next. Besides being an honest student, Michael Stone continued to help his parents with their farm course. Michael's persistence in striving for perfection was not only his ambition but his passion. So, right from the age of 14 years, beta, Michael went into a training. So, Michael's trainer coach was his father, Brett Stone. Okay, so his father, he had planned very systematically how to do. So his father has implemented 3D program, Nana. So 3D, what is that is? Dedication, determination, discipline. Okay, these three are important. Once again, see here, Nana. Dedication, determination, discipline. These three are important for anyone who wants to attain success in their life. So the same principle was being followed by Michael Stone, who was Michael's coach. What is that one? First is dedication. If you want to achieve something in your life, you should dedicate to that. మీరు ఏదన్నా సాధించాలి అనుకుంటే దానికి అంకితమై ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ determination is you have to set some planning. Okay, now if you want to become something in your life, మీరు దాన్ని పెట్టుకుంటారు మోటోగా, then you have to determine some goals for that, like I will be working for so and so hours, so like that. So this was the second one. Next, discipline, systematically. Okay, so this has been followed by Michael's father, and see the program was being carefully monitored by him. Okay, Nana, he worked. So it was been set like this. One day he will be practicing running. Okay, the other day he will be practicing by lifting heavy weights and other things. So it is all arranged in a systematic way. That is, he is practicing two things on alternate days. One day running, one day he is lifting the objects. So he is building his body. So at 14 years of age is still a boy where he likes to enjoy. He likes to have some entertainment. But here for Michael there is no entertainment. Only thing is he has concentrated on the thing to fulfill his dreams. Along with that, whenever he found any free time, he helped his parents in farming work. Basically, Michael came from a farming family. Yes or no? So, he has helped in their farm course. Nana here course means works. So, Michael's persistence in striving for perfection. Okay, according to Michael, if you want to be perfect, okay, what is that is, ambition is not required but his passion. Okay, you should be passionate in order to learn that, then only you will be success. So Michael was passionate to attain success. So both things he has maintained. So what are that both things are? He used to do hard work. At the same time, whenever he felt any free time, he just helped his parents in the normal course. Understood, Nana? Next thing, Millard Stone Michael's mother wished that he could relax a bit more and be that free dreaming little boy. On one occasion he attempted to talk to him and his father about this, but his dad quickly interrupted, smiled and said, "You want something? Work for it." So, Michael's father, he has arranged everything in a systematic way. That is, the whole day he was been busy in practicing or helping their parents. But Michael's mother, the mother name is Millard Stone, Nana. Her way of thinking is different. What is that is? There should be some free time for the child so that he very leisurely sits and dreams about his passion. Already Michael's mother motto was that only, we have learned. Yes or no, children? That mother, what she used to think, if you want to achieve something, you have to dream for that. So for that only, Michael's mother, she felt that boy should be given some free time, so that very freely he will dream about his passion. So one time she attempted to talk with her father also, but Bridgestone said no. If you want to attain something in your life, you have to work hard for that. You need to work hard for that. So the father did not accept the mother's feeling. He did not encourage him to take rest. Okay, next. Come to the next one. All of Michael's walls today seemed to be the reward for his hard work. If Michael Stone was surprised, thrilled or arrogant about clearing the bar at 17 feet, you could not tell as soon as he landed on the inflated landing mat and with the crowd on its feet. Michael immediately began preparing for the next attempt at flight. He seemed obliviously of the fact that he has just surpassed his personal best by 3 inches and that he was on the final 2 competitors in the pole vaulting, even at the National Junior Olympics. See, presently if you observe Michael's profile, or if you observe the Michael's pole vaulting winning race, we can simply say no, he was a successful person because of the hard work which he had done in his earlier stage. Okay, see, that day which was been mentioned in this lesson, what is that day? That was the day when he was been competing for the National Junior Olympics. So that day, after completing his attempt, ఈ కాంపిటీషన్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు తన అటెంప్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అయినా కానీ ఓకే when every audience when everyone when they were been shouting by standing, he felt he had cleared the attempt with 3 inches high. As soon as he fall on the hot mat, he just sat there and started to think for the next level. Understood? అతను అటెంప్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేయగానే అందరూ నించోని అరుస్తూ చప్పట్లు కొడతా ఉంటే ఈయనకి ఏమర్థమైంది అంటే 17 feet దగ్గర నా అటెంప్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది అంటే 3 inches ఎక్కువ. అట్లా పైనుంచి వచ్చి అట్లా కింద మ్యాట్ మీద పడగానే he was not happy, సంతోషపడట్లేదు. ఇమీడియట్గా తన నెక్స్ట్ రేస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ గురించి ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటున్నాడు. సో ఫైనలీ బై ద ఆడియన్స్ రెస్పాన్స్ he could able to analyze that along with him there was one more person. Okay, both are been competing for this final National Junior Olympics final. Now only two are left over. One is Michael Stone, along with him one more pole vaulter. Both are been competing for the award of this National Junior Olympics. Okay, Nana? Understood? Now see, Michael cleared the bar at 17 feet 2 inches, 17 feet 4 inches. Again, he showed no emotion. Constant preparation and determination were his vision. As he lay on his back and heard the crowd groan, he knew the other vaulter had missed his final jump. He knew it was time for his final jump. Since the other vaulter had fewer misses, Michael needed to clear this vault to win A miss would get him second place, nothing to be ashamed of, but Michael would not allow himself the thought of not winning first place. Okay beta, now see, Michael and one more person, both are there who is competing for the final race. So first it was Michael's chance. So Michael, no, he had cleared his attempt at 17 feet 2 inches and 17 feet 4 inches, which was high. Earlier it was at 17 feet in semi-finals. Now for finals he did it at 17.2 inches and 17.4 inches. So Michael was waiting there. Now his other opponent, he was doing the attempt. Now Michael could able to analyze that the opponent had a couple of failures after a couple of tries. It is all according with the audience voice. ఆ గ్యాలరీలో కూర్చున్న ఆడియన్స్ శబ్దం వల్ల ఇతరుతో పాటు కంపీట్ అయ్యేవాడు చాలాసార్లు అటెంప్ట్ ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాడు. Now Michael also understood that he would get one more chance. Now at any cost he has to clear that chance. Even though if he loses, he would remain at the second place. But Michael never accepted to remain at the second place. His motto was to be the winner of the National Olympics. Understood? Yes.